This is actually what we are doing. I don't know if you can see it. It's actually what we are doing. She's adding more blue to it so that I can get this. If you go to her channel, she does more of makeup. Her name is Martha. Do we look alike? Comment below and let me know if we look alike. Hello guys, today we are going to be doing, what is it? Okay, let me start with the unboxing first. We are doing two things anyway, but I'm going to start with the unboxing. You can see what is between now. We are opening it together, so let's go guys. Happy new month to everyone. Yes, so we made it. It's God. So guess what we have here? Come now, come show your face.
Oh, hi.
This
guys.
is my sister-in-law, and greet them.
Hello. How are you guys doing? So this is Lux Root hair case. You could use it to hang your wig and your hair extensions wherever. If you want to travel, it's a very, very comfortable way for you to just hang your wig and make sure your wig doesn't get rumpled and stuff.
So I'm going to be showing you guys an example. Now I have one wig here. I'm going to be showing you. I know some people would love to have this. Yes, I'm doing shout out to Onana. Yes, my very good friend in Toronto. I know she will love to have this. It's not expensive. I'm going to be putting the price on my description box so that you can get yours. So this is the wig. We are going to be hanging it so that you see how it goes. Then you can put it in your wardrobe. You can keep it.
So for the wig hanger, this is the wig hanger and then a case as well. So you just break down this the hanger part and then you break it down this way.
Okay.
So you're able to open it. So you can open and close and then open this that way. So you can open and close. And then once it's like this, you can take your wig.
You hang it inside.
You could fold
Me,
it.
I don't have one. I'm getting one now.
So you can fold it and then put it in.
To have it. I used to put my wig anywhere, put it inside bag. But with this, now I'm good to go.
So you can put it this way.
I'm good to go.
If you want to hang your wig like this.
Okay.
Or there's two methods to this. If you put it this way, then your wig is outside if you can see. But if you want your wig to be like inside out, so you can just take it.
Okay.
You fold your wig the inside out.
Okay.
In between like this, and then you take it.
We are learning.
Like this. And then you can hang it.
Continue the comment on the comment section. If you don't understand, ask me. I'm learning. I will answer.
So this is how it is. So you could just put it inside out and hang your wig. And then sometimes, you know, when people want to travel and stuff, so just to protect your wig from any dust and stuff. So you put it inside the bag.
Okay, let me open the bag. It has zip. Can you imagine? It's portable, so you can take it along with you wherever you are going to. It's portable. So it has zip. Let me unzip it then. I want to put it inside now. So this is it.
Yeah, so you can hang your wig wherever, and it comes in two different colors, a black and white and pink. I mean 3 different colors, so black, white and pink.
So whatever color you want to get, just let me know on the comment section. No fear, I'm not gonna take commission. It's not expensive, very cheap.
And also you could also follow us on Instagram at Lux Ruth.
So I'm going to be dropping her Instagram handle so that you follow her up. If you want to get it, you are good to go. You don't need to go through me. Yes,
that's true.
So this is how it looks like. So you can put it in your wardrobe.
So
you are good to go. The black is also here too.
The black is also here, so you could always.
So it depends on the color you want. We have black, we have white, and what again?
And pink.
And pink. So it depends on the one you want. Just let us know in the comment section, or you check out on our IG. I think that would be better. But the price, I'm going to put it on my description box, or you want to know, don't worry, I will drop it there. So this is it for today. This is my wonderful sister-in-law. Is she my sister-in-law? Okay, my sister-in-law's daughter. Let me know in the comment section, how will I call her? Maybe there's another name. No, say this woman, not be everything she sabi. I go school, but not be everything I sabi. So let me know in the comment section. So what really happened is this. She said she wants to make me up. So this is your girl. This is my natural face, my real face. So she wants to change your girl
brand.
So want to see how it goes. At the same time, we are going to be doing it live so that you guys will see it. Then you see how I look like. I'm going to be putting my before and the now, so that we are doing this together.
So we don't have all the necessary makeup, so please, but we have a few makeup, so we're just gonna try putting it together and rebrand her. All right, stay tuned, guys.
Okay, thank you. Sister-in-law have transformed me. Transformation. Is this still me? Are you guys sure this is still blessing? Okay. Said she needs to put on for me. All this na borrowed. This is not my real face. Don't mind me.
Comment down below if you like it or not.
Okay, this is how we roll. This Christmas, not try new, not try again. Okay, let me show you what we did. Here we got this from. Actually what your girl is doing. If you go to her channel, she does more of makeup. Yes, so I'm going to be dropping a link so that you check it out yourself. If you are just passing by and you're wondering what is going on, yes, this Feb Square. If you've not subscribed to our channel, please do. Thank you so much for the love. We really appreciate you for your encouragement. Thank you so much. We got your messages, everything. We say we are using this medium to say thank you. Yes, we keep going, we keep pushing. If you've not ring our bell, please do ring our bell. It is free. You are not paying for it. It is free. So Auntie Ruth, come and say hi to my fans once again before we call it a day. Yes.
Hi guys, thank you so much for
see
stopping by. And I hope you do like this makeup look. It's one of like
yes, so I appreciate her in the comment section.
But...
appreciate her for changing my look. Thank you so much. Take care. We love you. Bye.